Hi guys, David from ISTF School here. In this tutorial series, we are going to build Tic Tac game with SwiftUI. If you have been following my YouTube channel, we have built a similar app together, but this course is a whole new level when it comes to the coding and app architecture. The course will cover many points which you can use in your other projects or at work. I will teach you how to write clean and reusable code with clean architecture and correct dependency injections. We will use layered architecture, separate our code for ease of maintenance and scalability. Our app will have UI layer, business logic, data access, and networking layers. Once we are done with the project, I will show you how to submit it to the App Store. By the time you are watching this video, the app should be already on App Store, and I will put a link in the description where you can download the game and play it. For the project, we are going to use the latest Swift and SwiftUI versions. Once iOS 17 comes out after WWDC 23, I'm going to update the course and you will get all the latest information on the new iOS version as well. For a short demonstration how our application is going to work once we are done with it, we have three game modes. It's against another human, against the artificial intelligence, or you can play online with another human. When we are playing against another human, we have our game view here, and then each user by its turn just clicks and selects the place it wants to put the X or O. And once the game is done, it shows you a notification if it's draw or somebody won, and then we are keeping the score as well. And also, if you have noticed, we are using nice animation using our SwiftUI to show every time a user puts a mark. If you try the AI version, we are going to play with the computer here who is generating the answers and placing its moves. And you can see it's if you are doing any mistakes, it's going to win the game pretty easily. You can see we're updating the code. Once everything is finished, everything is reset. And also we have the online version where we are using Firebase for this in order to sync everything in real time. Currently there are now other games to join, so we just create a game and wait for a player to join our game. So if you like the idea, you want to build this project together, hit the subscribe button, get into the course, and we are going to start building this amazing course together. And I promise you are going to learn so many new things from this course that you will not regret it. Before we begin, I just want to have a quick disclaimer that this course is not meant for a new iOS developer. If this is just your first course that you are taking to build any iOS application and you want to start your career as iOS developer, you will not learn a lot from this course because the things I'm going to cover here are quite mid-level or advanced topics, and you are going to have a hard time understanding the basics if you don't know already. But if you have built few applications or tried some tutorials, you are familiar with SwiftUI and how Swift or iOS project works, you will learn a lot from this course. It's just I want to make sure that you are not wasting your time. If you are completely beginner, this course is going to be extremely hard for you.